भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी की जय, श्री चैतन्य सारस्वत मठ की जय, ऑल द assembled devotees की जय, श्री श्री गौरांग गंधर्व गोविंद सुंदर जी की जय, ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड devotees की जय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, जय श्री चैतन्य सारस्वत मठ की जय, ऑल द assembled devotees की जय, ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड devotees की जय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, समस्त श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, भक्त प्रवर प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, शुद्ध भक्ति विघ्न विनाशकारी भगवान नृसिंहदेव की जय, सदाशिव गंगाधर जीव की जय, गिरिराज गोवर्धन की जय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, की समगत श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस प्रभुपाद जगत गोस्वामी भक्ति निर्मलाचार्य गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। Okay, I am very happy to see you all by the mercy of Gurudev. Everywhere here. After 7 days, everybody you are here, and I am very pleased to see you. I am very happy to see you all. Here is Narottam and Manos from Vrindavan also saying. And from Brazil I saw Damodar Prabhu. And I saw Devabandhu and Nandapriya, South Africa Krishna Kinkar Das, and Hidaya Krishna from Colombia, and Ravindra Krishna from Singapore, Mahalakshmi baby is there, and Dayal Nitai also may be there. Krishna Keshav from California, or New Jersey, New York, and Lolita Priya, and Leeladhar Prabhu, Pranashwari Devidashi is there, Ananda Priya is there, some devotees are sitting there, Paramo Corono, Venezuela, and Raganuga Das also Colombia there, Shanta Maharaj there, Radhakanto Das is there, Probir from Bengal, from Hooghly district, India is there, Madhava Mohini from Venezuela is there, Boy Jayanti from Singapore, a small boy, now a small girl, very little girl was before, now very big. Jai Gaurango, Anumitra, Sitarani Devidashi, many devotees are there. Polodeep Das, Dijo Hari Das, Ishani from Philippines, and Hidaya Vallabh Das, Chaitanya Chandra, Giri Govardhan is there, Krishna Chaitanya from Ukraine, Lakshmi Priya, and Bhakti Bandhav Puri Maharaj is Ecuador, Revati also there, Mohito Krishna is there, Malati also Colombia is there, Prema Sundari, Maheshwari is there, Madhu Krishna Dashi, Abhimanyu Das, Madhu Sangha Didi. So many devotees are here today. Very happy to see you. Actually, I heard so many countries still lockdown start again because of coronavirus. India is little less now. So West Bengal is little increase, but India is little less because this is the festival period. People are so much gathering in the train, bus, and I heard few days in local train also Bengal will start, and we have to be always careful with this kind of virus until the discover or invented the vaccine. Vaccine is necessary, but it is for temporary. Any vaccine, anything, we cannot stop. We cannot stop. We cannot stop to our death. One day we should leave our body but we are not thinking about ourselves, means we are always busy for our body. That's 2 books I gave you. That is main things in this world. Almost all of the world, they are thinking all their temporary body, always thinking for temporary body. How shall I keep well? How shall I make my family good? How shall I maintain our family? How shall I good care of our parents? In this situation, we are doing like this. And another 2 pages here. Okay. This is always, we are thinking about almost everybody. We are attachment to our body. But we are very unfortunate. We have no time to thinking about the Lord Sri Krishna. Gurudev told, maybe I am a fallen soul, but what my Guru Maharaj give me, what I got mercy from Krishna, mercy from my Guru Maharaj, I cannot ignore that. I cannot ignore that. For that, what is coming from my Guru Dev, and that's how can I ignore that? How can I ignore that what I got from my Guru Dev? And Gurudev also told how can I ignore what I got from my Guru Maharaj? By the mercy of Guru Maharaj, by the mercy of Lord Krishna. Because Gurudev told, my horoscope telling my age is very little. And Guru Maharaj, you are making me Acharya, making me this position, but my lifetime is very short. And Srila Guru Maharaj told, you throw your horoscope, I am giving you lifetime. I am giving you more life. But I got this life by the mercy of Gurudev. My lifetime I got, my lifetime is human body lifetime by the mercy of Gurudev. For that, this body I cannot use for myself. This body I have to use for all the Jiva soul. This body I have to use for the Jiva soul. For that I am coming from the West. And what is the Indian wealth? Mahaprabhu's message, I came to distribute to you. I came to distribute to you, all of you. That Gurudev told that. My same thing also, my physics position is like that. My same thing I want to say, that is real position. Real position of that. But I told before that we are very unfortunate, but we have no time. We have no make relationship with the Lord, and we have no time to thinking about the spiritual life. We always want pleasure, happiness, and always love and affection we want. But from this material body, from this material way, attachment to the material way, we will not get it. We will not get it in this position. Like this, you are staying in your home. Gurudev told that you are staying in your home, but every day you are changing your home. After 6 months, after 6 months, after 3 months, like you have no permanent house, renting house. Like finally you will think, oh, necessary buy on land, stay on place. That is the better. That is the better. But even we are thinking now, we are Venezuelan, we are Mexican, we are American, we are Bangladeshi, we are Pakistan, we are Indian. We are thinking that. But actually we are living we are not living our own country. We are living the other's country, other house like this. But it is not very happiness. It is not very good things. It is not very good things. It is not very happiness. But you want some settlement. The own place we should be a stay. Today this country, this town, this city, another day, another city, another day, changing another city, not very happy will come. For that, our Paramarthik Jagat, it is transcendental world, that is the real home, that is the Goloka Vrindavan. That is the Goloka Vrindavan. That is the Goloka Vrindavan, that home we have to search. And that Gurudev wanted to tell that. And in the search of the original source. And you have to weigh that, like your driver, you have one driver and you telling the place, I want to go that place, and driver knows which way he will go. Driver knows which way he will go. For that, in this spiritual world, you have to necessarily strongest faith. Even Gurudev told us the Christian world or Bible or Srimad Bhagavad Gita is faith is necessary. There is foundation is necessary, faith is necessary. Because faith is necessary. When my mother told, this is your father, everybody believed that. Even government gave the recognition. This is my father. And government also giving this, that this is the father, and father will inherit his right to his property will get his son. That is the heritage. In this way, heritage and in the way, inheritance in the way will be happen. For that, government will recognize that. This is your mother, this is your father, and they will recognize that. Our mother told we should believe that. All that in the Rishi Muni, in the scripture and all the transcendental words, what that so many scholars, so many big personality came in this world, in this India. Also, in the previous years, Sri Vasudev, Sri Shukadev Goswami, Narad Goswami, in this way, they are telling to us, they are telling to us, they told us that what is the real things. in our life. That's Gurudev told us. And Gurudev told us very clearly. They clearly have to, that's this which way you have to practice, which way you will get, where is the source? What is the source? And how you reach that kind of source? How you will get that kind of source? How will you go to the source? How will you go to the source? In this way, you have to find in this way. And what is the original source? You will find in this way. That is Srimad Bhagavatam told that. Srimad Bhagavatam is actually told that. Everything told that Srimad Bhagavatam. Shukadev Goswami was telling to Parikshit Maharaj. Or Parikshit Maharaj told that. Shukadev Goswami telling to Parikshit Maharaj. And that is Srimad Bhagavatam, that is telling to us very clearly, very clearly, that is very clearly, that place is Goloka Vrindavan, and that place is very transcendental, very beautiful, and very affectionately, and that place we should go there. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita also telling, Jaggatana nivartantam tadhama paramang mamo. And Jaggatana nivartantam tadhamang paramang mamo means if you go there, enter that place, you will not necessary to come back, you will be very there. You will be very pleased there. That is faith necessary. In God we trust. But it means we have to faith. We need trust for that. And you are the son of all the Srinanta Vishwa Amritasya Putra, appearance of nectar of the sun. Son of the nectar of the, you are the son of the nectar. And if you can enter to that place, and you can get that 5 kinds of relationship there. That is Daisya Shoikya Vasalya Madhur Ras. That is the Gurudev told one thing is very nice. That is, Gurudev told one thing is very nice. So everybody is getting holiday. Some vacation, Christmas vacation, some vacation. They are getting some year, India is getting the Puja vacation, Diwali vacation. But Gurudev told, I have no any vacation. Only I have vacation is, I can speak some Krishna Katha. That is my vacation. Gurudev told I can speak some Krishna Katha. That is my vacation. For that, Srimad Bhagavad Gita also told, Matra spashastu konto sitashu dukado agmay pai nityastum kitashu bharato. You have happiness, you have sadness, you have disease, you have beautiful, but you have everything. But it is not eternal. It is not eternal. It is temporary. It is temporary. But Lord is not temporary. 5,000 years ago, that all the scholars told to us, that is Bhagavan Krishna Lord is Satchidananda Vigraha, Ghana Rasamaya Murti. He is the creator of all the creation. Brahma Samhita, we can see that. He is all the creator of the all creation. That is, he has faith, he has brain, he has everything. And he is the Lord Krishna, and he always attracted us. He is not only our master, and you can make his friend with him. You can play football with him, Gurudev told. And then you will, and that is very sweet, very tasty, you will get it. That kind of things. And you will understand that kind of things very clearly. For that we should understand what is necessary for our spiritual life. As we have to, spiritual life is we have to enter to we have to search for the spiritual life. We have to surrender proper Guru, proper guidance of Guru. And you have to go with the guidance of proper Guru. For that is necessary. Who can give the proper attention? Understand? You heard that. Gurudev told on lecture. Today I give on books, small books, Gurudev's lecture and correction. Some Bengali words I got it today, and it's very nice. And and he gave the lecture in Mexico, Australia. 1992 he was in Australia, and that time he gave one lecture. And that is very nicely Gurudev giving. When Shukadev Goswami, Narad Goswami told to Shukadev Goswami, Narad Goswami told to Vyasdev, what you gave, it is not sufficient. What you are distributing something, but you are mixing everything like khichuri. For that you have to proper things you have to give. And Vedavas told, I am giving Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhakti Jog, Garur Puran, Agni Puran, Padma Puran, Mahabharata, everything gave. But Narad Goswami told, you are giving everything, but you are giving khichuri, like pots, giving everything mixing. What taste, who is place, what taste, who is items cannot understand. Then Vedabhas is getting shy. And he told, what can I do, Prabhu? And then Narad Goswami indicate to the fourth sloka, the Srimad Bhagavatam, starting from Srimad Bhagavatam main sloka. And Srimad Bhagavatam starting, and he was very pleased. And after that he thought, who can distribute these things to the world? And it is Gyan Jog, Bhakti Jog, Karma Jog. Jodi only I give the devotion, nobody will believe me. Jodi ami chai seno shota Bodhji Mukti Bishwa, I want to search some person who can distribute the proper things. Aham Vetti, Shukha Vetti, Vyasa Vetti, Na Vetti Va. That is, you heard that sloka many times. Aham Vetti, Shukha Vetti, Vyasa Vetti, Na Vetti Va. But he is searching who can distribute that Bhagavatam. Takon he remembered. Vyasdev remembered that Shukdev Goswami's name. He is very perfect person. And this only the devotion. Only the devotion, not Karma Jog, not Gyan Jog. Gita is mixing, Gyan Jog, everything, Sankhya Jog, everything. But only get devotion, who can distribute this mundane world. That is proper person is the Shukadev Goswami. His position is very high. His position is very high. When Shukadev Goswami was his mother womb, and he was 12 years was his mother womb. And he not coming out from the mother womb. And he is very perfect, Siddha Mahapurush. And he has all the knowledge of the Vedas. And everybody saw he is not coming out from his mother. mother womb. Everybody was thinking, and Vyasdev also thought, and everybody is very surprisable. And Vyasdev asking to that baby in the mother womb, why you are not out from your mother womb? Come out, telling. And from that womb, that boy, Mani Shukadev told, no, I will not go. I will not go, I will stay here. Why you not coming? Why you are not coming out? Because if I go out from my mother womb, and Maya will be attack me. Illusory environment will attack me. For that I will not go out from my mother womb. I will not go from mother womb. And then, and that's the Shukadev Goswami told, I know Maya is very powerful. And Maya is attacking so many Jiva soul, and he has so much power. They told to Vyasdev that you can stop to the Maya. And you can stop for 5 minutes the Maya's activities. You can stop for 5 minutes, you have the power. Vyasdev, you have the power. You can stop for 5 minutes the Maya's activities. And after that, everybody asking to Shukadev, we are going to stop to my activities for 5 minutes. If 5 minutes is sufficient for you coming out? And he told, yes, 5 minutes is sufficient for me, and you can stop to the Maya's activities for 5 minutes. 5 minutes for you can stop to the Maya's activities. And then Vyasdev is very agree, and then Vyasdev told, yes, I can stop to the Maya's activities for 5 minutes, and Vyasdev did that. Vyasdev stopped the Maya's activities for 5 minutes, and then that boy coming out from his mother womb, Shukadev Goswami, and Shukadev Goswami ran away, ran away. You see, your baby is coming from mother womb and quickly ran away. And ran away, and going to the forest. And went to the forest, understand? Went to the forest. And father is calling from behind, please wait. But he has no attachment with his parents or anybody. He has attachment with the illusory environment. He has an attachment with this, who is father, who is mother. That is, he is not attachment with this. And Vyasdev was searching his son. Vyasdev Goswami searching his son. Where is my son? That time son age is 12 years. And after that, Shukadev Goswami is walking, and his father Vyasdev Goswami also walking behind, running, not only walking. And that time in the Himalaya, some of the ladies, they are bathing that time, and that is so much raining, and then all the ladies, they are keeping their clothes some under the tree and some safe place, and all the women were naked. All the women were naked, and then when they saw Shukadev Goswami, and they are not getting shy, because Shukadev Goswami has no any kind of symptom. He has no any like he in this world he did not see anything. Where Krishna is taking him, he is always going there. That is his character. That is his things. Krishna only, he has no any, what is the Maharaj told? Like, mani anubhuti thilo na. What is this?
He has no understanding of male-female difference also.
Difference no. Who is the male, who is the female, who is the man, he did not see anything in this world.
His transcendental personality.
Transcendental, like here, he has not see anything here. And when that ladies saw to the bears there, then they're getting shy and they're recovering their cloth. They're covering their body. And because Shukadev Goswami actually he has no eyes. And he has no see any mundane things. He has no eyes for seeing the mundane things. And Vyasdev, very old man, and his beard like 12 foot. 12 foot his beard, understand? But Shukdev is young boy, but ladies has no shame for not shame for Shukadev Goswami. Ekam Shukdev Goswami's avastha ছিল in these things. For that Vyasdev understand and Shukdev and Vyasdev and find Shukadev. But Shukdev is not agree. And Vyasdev and discovered and invented on some other way. And he was a wood cutting boys, he found some wood cutting boys and he was teaching the Srimad Bhagavatam some sloka. Uttam Slok. Nibbattang Ginamanada Bhavishyatang Vimat Kauttam Slokunadlabadat Umanam Bragatin Bina Poshuk Tak. And something three slok he taught to the boys. That boys. That's after that. ছেলেরাও তখন তখন সুখদেব ওই শ্লোকগুলো শুনে after that all that woodcutter boys to told to Shukadev Goswami that slok and Shukadev Goswami was impressed very nice. They never heard this kind of slok. And Shukadev Goswami asking, where you got this slok, from whom? And that boys told, we got from Srila Vyasdev. Where is he? And he told he is the bank of the Saraswati river and Badrika Ashram, he is living there. Then Shukadev Goswami went there and Vyasdev told to Shukadev and Shukadev told to Vyasdev, I got heard that slok from one woodcutter boy. You can give that kind of slok, this kind of knowledge please you give me. I am attracted by that slok, hearing that slok. And যা চেয়েছিলেন সেটাই ব্যাসদেব পেয়েছিলেন, তার ইচ্ছা ছিল তিনি ওই ছেলেকে শিখাতে। After that, Shukadev, he told everything to Shukadev Goswami, and Shukadev Goswami was very pleased. And Vyasdev was waiting, and who will distribute this Srimad Bhagavatam? And who will distribute? Only without Shukadev Goswami, who will distribute this slok? Without him it is impossible. Then you heard everything that when Parikshit Maharaj was cursed by one Brahmin boy and he was going to die, notice coming. But you remember, our notice will not come. Parikshit Maharaj got that notice. We will not get notice. We are not that kind of fortunate soul that we will not get notice. But Parikshit Maharaj got notice 7 days before. See, he will die after 7 days. And Parikshit Maharaj was very big king, you know that. And he has good devotion of the Lord. And he was the king, and he is giving respect to all his public people who is living in his kingdom. And so many scholars, so many rishi, so many munis, they all came and giving so many advice. And there are all sampradayas, scholars, they came, many sampradaya they have, many scholars came, head of the sampradaya. head of their association, they came, everybody, that's meeting. After that, the wheels of the Lord Krishna, Shukadev Goswami came that kind of meeting in the Parikshit Maharaj's Sabai, the meeting of Parikshit Maharaj. Shukadev Goswami, his character is very adbhut, means strange. Strange was character is like that. He never saw anybody. He is never giving respect to anybody. Because he did not see anybody there. He came to the Parikshit Maharaj's meeting, not his wills, by the wills of Lord Krishna. And Shukdev have no dress. Then he always naked boy, and like crazy boy. And some of the young boy is teasing, yeah, some what is called Maharaj, মানে তাকে উত্তেজিত করার চেষ্টা করলেন, like he was like naked, and some of the young boy teasing
Or
that
making
Shukdev
fun of
Goswami.
him. Making fun of him. Making fun of him.
Yes. But Shukdev Goswami never seeing that, never thinking who is that, and because he is, and when Krishna pick up him, he is going that place. But when Shukdev Goswami entered to the Parikshit Maharaj's meeting, and all the scholars, all the Maharishi, Mahamuni, and they understood this boy is, because when he came out from the mother womb and somebody recognized him, and they understood this is the son of Vasudev. After that, his face also looking like Vasudev. After that, but he never giving any obeisance, any dandavat pranam, because he has no any anubhuti. Anubhuti means he has no any
experience, or some kind of realization.
not experience, but like some kind of feelings. He has no any feelings. Whom shall I give obeisance? Whom shall I give a dandavat? Nothing told. That is so many scholars, Otri, Bochishto, Chabon, Shardan, Orostonemi, Bhirigu, Angira, Parashar, Vishwamitra, Parashuram, Indopramat, Chubho, so many, Deval, Ostesh, Bhardas, so many, Doipayan, Bedabbas, Bhagavan Narad, everybody came. Even Narad Muni was there. And his father Vyasdev also there. And Vyasdev's father Parashar also there. And he was a very scholar, Pandit, scholar, principal scholar. There are so many scholars came in this meeting, and so many kinds of rishi scholar, and somebody have like bearded man like 5 foot beard, somebody 6 feet, somebody 10 foot, 8 feet beard. But Shukdev Goswami is 16 years boy, and he was naked, and he has not seen any mundane things. And Shukadev Goswami ke dekhe, Parikshit Maharaj ke bollen, everybody told Parikshit Maharaj, you are very fortunate soul, because your meeting, son of the Vyasdev, Shukadev Goswami came here. He can give you proper decision, proper things he can give you only. And what decision and what decision he will give, Shukadev Goswami, we will respect that, we will follow that. All the rishis told. And then Parikshit Maharaj, he gave an asun to Shukadev Goswami. And Shukadev Goswami not giving any respect to anybody, and he's sitting there. And his front, he saw only Parikshit Maharaj is there. He did not see anybody. Besides, so many rishis are there. But after that, he saw that. And after that, he understood that who is there sitting, his father, his grandfather, and Narad Goswami also there. And after that, Parikshit Maharaj doing his puja to Shukadev Goswami and asking him, please give some mercy and please tell something how can I get happiness? How can I get happiness? How can I overcome to this kind of mundane things? Tell me. Amar kishe bhalo hoy? How can be good for everybody is giving respect to you, and please kripa kore, please tell me what is the sadhya bostu. Sadhya bostu means what is the কি মহারাজ এগুলো ইংরেজি বলতে পারছেন না?
ultimate goal মহারাজ।
Yes, ultimate goal, সাধ্য বস্তুর। And Parikshit Maharaj heard that, and Shukdev Goswami heard that, and Shukdev Goswami told to Parikshit Maharaj, আপনি ভালো অন্বেষী। অন্বেষী means you are very searcher.
You are sincere seeker.
A sincere searcher, অন্বেষী। You are hearing your question. I am very pleased. I am very pleased to hear that. Not necessarily asking so many questions. So many questions have, but answer is only one. But not necessarily so many answer. Answer is only one. Parikshit Maharaj, Shukdev Goswami told, not necessarily so many questions. Not necessarily so many answers. Question is one, answer is one. Question is one, answer is one. We are seeing the mundane world, there are questions asking so many asking so many questions. Because their attachment with the material attachment, they are always thinking about the fact that they are asking so many questions. But you are asking only one question to me. That is the fine things. পরম সাধ্য বস্তু সম্বন্ধে আমাকে উপদেশ দিন। That for that is that শ্লোক ভাগবতমের দ্বিতীয় খণ্ড শ্রোতবাদ্দিনী রাজেন্দ্র নিরাং সন্ধি সহস্রাচ অপশান্তং গৃহেষু গৃহীতমাতম। যারা নিজে দেখেননি তারা হাজার হাজার প্রশ্ন করেন। This means আমরা কে বা কি করে দিচ্ছি, what we are, what is our activities, what will be future in our life, and how will this kind of activities, how can get the relief from that kind of things. That is Atma Tattva knowledge, transcendental knowledge. Who did not see anything, they are asking so many questions. How I earn the money, how I maintain the family, there are so many things I am doing that. In this way, we have to understand Srimad Bhagavatam, that is main things. Atma Ramarcha Munayani Grantha Purakrame, সেটা ভাই সেই Srimad Bhagavatam, if you read that Srimad Bhagavatam, Nigama Kalpaturalvitam Phalam, Shukamukhamaditam Samjumitam, Pivatam Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuram Rosika Bhubam Bhabuka. That is main things. Atma Ramarcha Munayani Grantha Purakrame Krubandha Ittikim Bhakti Metum Huguno Hari. This is very interesting thing from that part that Srila Siddhartha was writing. That's meanings of the Gayatri mantra. Gayatri Muralishta Kirtanam Dhanam Radha Padam Dhimahi. Radha Padam Dhimahi means the fruit of Sri Krishna without glorification of Radharani is not telling anything. Only fruit what telling? Only the glorification of Srimati Radharani. Krishna's fruit always telling the glorification of Srimati Radhika. And that is the Guru Maharaj, Siddhartha Maharaj told that in the meaning. Krishna is that's kar puja amra karbo, whom shall I worship? Shakti or Shaktiman? Krishna হচ্ছেন শক্তিমান। শক্তিমান means Maharaj, and Radharani হচ্ছেন শক্তি।
He is the source of all energy.
And Radharani হচ্ছে শক্তি. Radharani is the energy, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. And Srila Guru Maharaj told everything like that. From Guru Maharaj told everything to like that. Very nice things. সবই পুংসাং পর ধর্ম যত ভক্তির অদক্ষ যে অহৈতক্য প্রীতি হত্য জয়ত্তাম সুপ্রিসদ. That is, Srimad Bhagavatam told that very nicely. I'm telling very short way, and from Gurudev's lecture today, there's books will come from Bengali. Some English lecture coming translated from Bengali, English to Bengali. And today some correction I make. Very nice. Another things I'm seeing here. Okay, keep it. Okay. Any other question? I'm asking now question. What is your money question?
Yes, Maharaj, you have a few questions now. The first one comes from Colombia. Haridasi.
Yes. I told on question and on answer.
Very good. But you have many disciples here.
Surrender to the Lord and surrender to the Lord. You have all faith. You are giving everything. Laz, lajja, bhoy, everything. You have to surrender. Shy, everything. Everything. What is fear? Everything. What is your ego? Everything you give in the lotus feet of Lord Krishna or Srimati Radharani or Gurudev's lotus feet. Everything you give. Dandavad Srila Janardhan Maharaj, I am very happy to see you. Please accept my humble obeisance.
Dandavad
Srila
Maharaj.
Ashram Maharaj, Dandavad. Dandavad Srila Ashram Maharaj, I saw you. Ashram Maharaj.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad Srila Ashram Maharaj, Dandavad.
Maharaj.
Please accept my humble obeisance.
Maharaj, see who
Yeah.
we have here. Maharaj, see.
Oh,
We are at the temple in Veracruz.
oh, Gurudev. Okay, Nandar Nandan. Sri Sri Guru Gauranga Gandharva Nandar Nandan.
Sí, aquí están Maharaj. En vivo y a todo color.
Okay.
Yesterday we celebrate their installation ceremony, their appearance.
Okay, good.
13th anniversary. And here are Krishna Prema Tarangini, Devidasi. Aquí está Nayana Sundari, Devidasi. Y aquí están todos los devotos escuchando. Listen to the class. Asi, Dottamana, Srivas, Prabhu, Murari, Mohan from Venezuela, Gopishwari, Padmavati, Parama, Priya, and all the devotees, Madhavi, Amadavati, all the devotees.
Very nice, very nice.
¿Dónde está Madhuchanda? Madhuchanda.
Dandavad, Dandavad.
Sudélica.
Devika, from that country. Okay.
Syamanalini, Praneshwari, Amritananda, Prabhu Atula Krishna, Premalatita, Raghunandan, Prabhu, aquí tenemos a Raghunandan,
Raghunandan, yes.
Jivanananda, Arjun, Prabhu,
Very nice. Very nice.
So we are all hearing here
Dandavad, Dandavad.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, our head pujari, the head pujari of Sri Sri Guru Gaurangananda, Gandharva Govindananda Nandana Ji ki Jai.
Dandavad, Dandavad. Very nice. Okay. Okay, question from where?
Yes, Maharaj. The question is from Colombia. Haridasi Daily Dasi from Medellin. Dandavad Gurudev. Is there a difference between the Gaura Nityananda deities in Ekachakra, Colombia, and Venezuela? How can we understand this? How can we understand the mood? Is there a difference between the deities in Ekachakra, Colombia, and Venezuela?
Not to see the difference in deities. Not to see any difference. Lord is everywhere. Not to differentiate anything. Okay? Not to see any difference. Okay? Not to see any difference. And we are feeling that kind of things. Gauranga's mood, Nityananda's mood, Krishna's mood, always we are seeing that Krishna is coming. Many ways is coming in this world. Everything coming from the Lord Krishna. But not to see any difference from there, okay? Not to see any difference there. Understand? But everywhere not to seeing this mundane way, not to seeing the material way, you have to, everything you have to see the transcendental way. That is the necessary to see that. Understand? That is too necessary to see that. You have to see in this way. Understand when Sanatana Goswami becoming very old and he cannot parikrama Giri Govardhan, Giriraj, he cannot make parikrama Giriraj, very old. For that, Rupa Goswami borrowed one piece of Giriraj and told him and keep him in front of him and you tell him how many times you want to parikrama here in your room, your house. That is same. Understand? But not to see any difference. When Gurudev is America, that is Gurudev. When Gurudev is Brazil, he is Gurudev. When he is in India, he is Gurudev. Understand? Not to see any difference. Understand? Sometimes Gurudev is not India is not getting so much arepa, but he's Mexico or Venezuela, Colombia getting arepa. But this same Gurudev. Understand? But sometimes Venezuela is not getting rice always, but he is happy there. But here Ekachakra Nityananda Prabhu is getting always rice. He is also happy there. Understand? In this way you have to see that. But Gaur Krishna bhed nahi. Gaur Krishna is not difference, not to see anything. Okay? Not you see any difference. That will be offensive. Any other?
Yes, Maharaj, this time from Venezuela. Bhaktin Tariselli from San Cristobal, Dandavat Shilacharya Dev, how can we understand why COVID-19 is happening? What is your opinion?
It is in this age of Kali or 100 years, every year, that is so many disturbance, so many things will come. That is the scripture told. That is anyhow so many bad things in this world happening. So many something Krishna want to teach the who is not following proper Krishna consciousness. There are staying, there are running like you, there are running like cats and dogs. Cats and dogs like they are using, like they are enjoying their life like dogs and cats and other things. They have no any feelings. They have no time to respect sadhu. They have no time to proper following the Krishna consciousness, and they have no deep feeling for this. All the big scholar, big rishi, big sadhu, all the Vedanta, all the scriptures, Srimad Bhagavatam, all the telling about the devotion of the Lord Krishna and how he is telling. We have no faith for that. We have no reading for that. We have no time to read for that. We are always thinking for our body and everything. And Krishna is showing that. That's big doctor also diet. Big personality diet here in this mundane world who is very proud for their education. So many people died in this world for that. Only little virus, they can demolish their all ego, and they have to understand that, and they have to necessary for deep feeling for the Krishna consciousness. It is necessary for deep feeling for them. For that, they should understand. So many people have ego, so many people they are proud of their money, they are proud of their car, they are proud of their home, they are proud of their wife, they are proud of their husband, they are proud of their mother, parents and children. But it is very difficult also. It is how many percent people coming to the Krishna consciousness? Very few. Not 0.0000, not 1% in this world coming to Krishna consciousness. And they are not thinking about these highest things. What is the original source? What is the own things? What is the real wealth? And they are coming to all of the foreign country, coming from India, and some Indian foolish people, they are want to go to the foreign country for some dollar. They are going for searching for dollar. And some of the good scholars, good Vaishnavas, good high quality Vaishnavas, they went like our Gurudev, like Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. And they are distributing the Indian wealth all over the world. And if they're getting that kind of taste, if they are feeling that kind of taste, they will leave their ego, they will leave their pride and everything, and they will surrender to the properly to the Lord. Understand? But they are not feelings like that. For that Krishna is, by the oils of Krishna, some pandemic situation also coming. In this automatically lockdown, all stop, all everything. all everything, all close everything. All close everything through Srimad Bhagavatam. If you got it, you will got real happiness. You will got real happiness. Your hunger will be finished. If you a proper taste you got through reading Srimad Bhagavatam and through the lecture of Guru Maharaj, Gurudev and what they are telling, and your hunger, your all kind of feelings will be removed, all kind of material bad elements will be removed from this. But always we want mercy, mercy, mercy. But we have no place to keep that mercy. We keep some place for the Lord. We always, our heart, our mind, all everything in full of them, all material desire. Kono kamini pratishtha. That is ladies, that is wealth, and that is name and fame. All are the full of this in our heart, mind. But we are not keeping some small place for our Gurudev. We are not keeping some small on a space for our Gurudev. We not keep on a space for the Lord, who is giving me in this birth, and who I am. I am his Angshi, the part and parcel of his, from him, from his absolute. That feelings we are not coming. We are thinking we are the body. We are feelings like that. And that kind of pandemic situation is giving something, remembering when we are so much austerity getting in this kind of situation, that time thinking, oh Krishna, oh Lord, oh Jishu, oh, like this, why we are suffering? When will we finish this kind of things? This kind of feelings is necessary. Sudha Krishna Prabhu, how are you? How is Sweden?
Not now, Mr. Maharaj. It's okay.
Dandavad Prabhu, you are okay?
Yes, I'm fine. By your grace, I'm doing all right. Second wave coming to Europe. Second wave coming. So a little bit restriction in Sweden, but no lockdown.
Okay.
Yes.
I heard London is locked down.
Yes, I think they're supposed. Ireland, lockdown, I know.
Dandavad Maharaj. Dandavad.
Dandavad, lockdown, London.
No, from Thursday. From Thursday we'll have 1 month lockdown. Again. So restrictions. We cannot allow many people here in the temple for programs. But we will continue doing our program here.
Who is taking prasadam in the behind?
And Krishna Vinodini and the English teacher, Nisha, the daughter of Satish. She's giving them English classes. Yes.
Dandavad. Sochi Devi.
Yes, Maharaj.
Sochi Devi, how are you?
I'm all right, Maharaj.
Nice to see you.
Old. Yeah, I'm very happy to see you. I'm getting a bit old. So,
Yes.
and then,
Everybody will be becoming old.
yes, Maharaj. But, dealing with it as good as I can.
Okay.
Happy to see you, so you look so well, Maharaj.
Okay.
And here is Dauji. Come here, Dauji. Dauji has come from Colombia to offer some services.
Okay, Gauri.
Dauji.
Oh, Dauji Maharaj.
Dauji Das.
Damodar brother.
Yes.
You know what is the Dauji?
Que se sabe que
Oh, señor Krishna decía al señor Balaram de jóvenes, de pequeños.
from childhood nickname, right?
Yes.
Nickname.
Dauji means is Balaram.
Yes.
Dauji Maharaj Balaram.
Elder brother Maharaj. We call elder
Yes,
brother.
elder brother, yes.
Que se llaman al hermano mayor.
Mm.
Okay, Maharaj.
Thank you. He is the disciple of whom?
He is disciple of Gurudev.
Srila Govinda Maharaj given the name Dauji Maharaj.
Yes, Maharaj.
He said that Srila Gurudev gave him that name, or kept that name.
Damodar is my disciple. Okay, any other question, Praneshwari?
Yes, Maharaj, this time the question is from Colombia. Doyal Govinda from Colombia. What are the rules for wearing a tulsi kuntimala? Can anyone use it?
Anyone use? Anyone?
Without initiation?
Huh? No
And
problem.
someone, okay.
Non-devotee can do that, no problem. Tulsi mala anyone can wear. Tulsi mala anyone can wear that. It is good for him.
But even if they commit offenses or eat meat?
But if they are eating meat, but some tulsi mala is wearing, and their offense will be little less. And they will think also, they will be afraid because they are thinking we are wearing the tulsi mala, and they will be little afraid to make offense also. In India, so many people are wearing tulsi mala. They are not the disciple of, they are not initiated. So many people wearing the tulsi mala. Divya Shakti Didi, how are you?
I'm doing okay, Maharaj. Dandavats, Maharaj.
Dandavad, thank you.
Nice to see you.
Subhashini Didi, Ireland, how are you?
Dandavats, Maharaj. Yeah, I'm very well. Thank you, Maharaj.
Some lockdown is there, Ireland?
Yes, it is complete lockdown from last week, actually. Yeah.
And 1 month.
Well, they said 6 weeks from last week, so.
6 weeks, then
Yeah.
1.5 months.
Yes, Maharaj. Yeah. Good to see you, Maharaj. Very happy to see you.
Thank you so much. Amolendu Prabhu is here today from Russia.
I'm here. Yes.
Dandavad.
Please accept my
Gaurangi, how are you?
Dandavat Pranam Shiva Gurudev. I'm okay.
Dandavad.
Thank you.
Danishta is okay?
Yes, she's okay.
You have contact with
Yes,
her?
Maharaj, Dandavat, and yeah, it's okay, everything fine.
Okay.
I'm always here.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, any other question?
Yes, Maharaj, this time from Venezuela, from Paramataruna. Jai Gauranga Das, he asks, Dandavat, we understand that the Vaishnava Pratishta is the fame that comes to the devotee for his practice. But apart from that fame, one has in his heart desire to obtain fame. So how to use our desire for fame in service?
You have to, that's somebody got the Vaishnava Pratishtha, you have to respect that, not to be envious. Another way, it is coming to yourself, you always giving that Pratishtha in the lotus feet of your Guru. When somebody is giving you garland, you will think that, oh Jai Gurudev, I am giving that garland to your lotus feet. You are remembering your Guru. But through your Pratishtha, if you thinking your Pratishtha, you are getting Pratishtha through you are becoming very fat and very weighty, then maybe your boat will be sink.
Very nice example, Maharaj.
Vishnu Pratishtha tate karo nishtha. But that Pratishtha is coming to you, you always very concerned. That is called Acharya Abhiman. You have to avoid the Acharya Abhiman. Ram Ratan Prabhu, how are you? Ram Ratan from Malaysia.
Dandavat Gurudev, I'm fine. How are you? How is your health?
My health is good. Vishnu? Oh,
Hello,
Vishnu.
Nandor Maharaj.
Where is Ram Rai?
Hare Krishna Maharaj.
Ram Rai is there.
How are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine.
Very nice to hear that, Maharaj. I miss Dum Dum.
Where is your father?
My father is busy at the moment.
Busy
Oh,
for
he
what?
said. Maharaj Dandavats, Maharaj Dandavats.
You are busy for what now? Eating?
Yes, Maharaj, just came after work. Have some donation, Maharaj, for you. I have saved some money for you. And then some customers coming also, they also giving some donation. So total, I might send some money to you for some service.
Okay.
How are you, Maharaj?
No problem.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Thanks,
I'm
Maharaj.
fine.
Dandavats, Maharaj. Take care, Maharaj. Dandavats.
Yes, any other question?
Yes, Maharaj, another question from Colombia, from Paipa, Nityananda Randas. Dandavad Srila Acharyadev. What are the most important aspects on the path to devotional service to Srila Gurudev? What are the most important aspects on the path to devotional service?
Actually, Gurudev always to everybody is Sankirtan Jagga. Sankirtan, and what time was, what is appropriate? What is appropriate? This service, like Gurudev giving an example to me, the Gurudev Gurudev told, you put on bulb, there are some light bulb or not working his room, and he told you put on, why not bulb is not working, maybe bulb is fused, you can put the new bulb, and you are going to start to that job. Immediately Gurudev told, oh, please give me 1 glass of water, I am very thirsty. And what is the necessary, you can have to think that. Yourself, you have to think that what is the main necessary. The bulb is putting necessary, or giving water is the first things. Then you have to understand that yourself, consider. Then you have to consider that first water I gave, then I can put bulb later also. Understand? That is, you can harmonize with this kind of situation. Understand? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's service is Sankirtan Yoga is very important. Through Sankirtan you can service to the Gurudevs. You are making always glorification of your Guru. You are making glorification of your Guru or Gurudev. That's why you do that. And through your service, even a small service, even little service, you can make happy your Guru through your little service. But what you will do through your heart you will do, that is good for you. Understand? Through your heart. From your heart, if you do, that is very nice. What you do, properly do. Understand? You distributing the prasadam, you will proper distribute the prasadam. You will, when you will sing the song, you will learn meaning of the song, and then you will get the taste of the meaning, and you can easily understand what is the meaning of the song. What is the meaning of the song? Then you can understand easily. For that, this way, you can happy your Guru through your service. Any kinds of service you can. Gurudev is watching always to you. Gurudev always thinking for you. Then how you will be a good personality and good proper person for your service, Gurudev always think for that. Understand? Yeah. Will be like Chatuk Pakhi. You will thinking, you will always will be waiting for raining, when the raindrops will come from the sky, and you will always wait for that instruction for the service. When is waiting, that is necessary to wait for that anchoring position like this.
Maharaj, is that Chatak bird is now also sometime visible somewhere in India? Chatak bird. Is it now found somewhere? Is so widely?
Yes. It's Krishnanagar.
Oh.
This is the Krishnanagar. ইংলিশটার নাম জানতে পারে ইংরেজির নাম কি?
I have to check, Maharaj. I have to check, Maharaj. Oh. Very knowledge pied crested cuckoo.
Acharya Ratna, how are you?
Hi, Gurudev. We are very fine, Gurudev. We're trying to do some service to you.
And Srila Acharya, they are translating.
Maybe he's London, maybe buying something. Market. Oh. See. After 2 days of lockdown. Okay.
Acharya Ratna is translating because Lakshmikant is not here and they are writing on the chat everything that you say very fast, very nice.
What happened to
Do you have time for one more?
Lakshmikant today start working.
Oh.
Yes.
কে দয়াল বাবু? ও দয়াল নিতাই বাবু।
Nanawas Maharaj. How are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine. You are okay?
Yes, Maharaj.
Now is open?
No, it's closed. 2 months.
2 months.
See, tomorrow you're going to be blessed.
That is no winter, no winter in Singapore.
No, it's all summer.
All summer. All the time using the AC?
Maharaj, tomorrow is my birthday. Please bless me.
Okay, birthday. Happy birthday, Dayal Nitai.
Nana.
Good, very nice.
Okay, celebrate it, you say.
Good.
Last
Very
year,
nice. Krishna bless you.
See, last year celebrating Vrindavan.
Yes, last year
Good.
celebrated Vrindavan.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. And you will make big feast. Tofu. Rasham.
Yes.
Gunpowder, Maharaj, gunpowder.
Rasham and sometimes dosa. In the restaurant making dosa?
Yes, Maharaj.
In the Gokul?
Yes. One day you should come, Maharaj.
Yes, I'm very eager to take the dosa.
Maharaj, not plain dosa, masala dosa.
India is some places making dosa, but there are making the dosa with onion garlic.
Oh.
That masala dosa making. Very difficult. Okay, any other? Last question?
Maharaj,
Yes, Krishna Keshav, tell me.
please forgive my offense for asking this, but is there any way we can sing the Damodar Astakam?
Damodar Ashtakam, you have to sing. Now we have to sing. I'll sing.
By your grace,
Okay.
Maharaj.
Okay, bring the Mridanga Kartam. On song I'll sing. Damodar Ashtakam, yes. Damodar Ashtakam. Morning time eating koi and lunch time taking the rice and only dalma, dal with some pumpkin making. Only this lunch. And night time chapati and with some sugar free taking. Gurudev told 3 days we should do that. 3 days we should follow. Because some places making 1 month. Many foreign devotees they are not habitually on things, only dalma and rice. And morning time only koi, no milk, no ghee, got nothing. Only meal, only koi or chapati. Koi means not muri. Like it is only muri is making with the boiling rice, but koi is not making with the koi. Sometimes you saw that popcorn making popcorn making with the bhutta, with the making frying and selling, and that is koi like this. The paddy you are boiling and some kind of things coming. That is not without boil that making the koi. Understand?
Koi is good for people who don't have teeth.
Yes. Today I am taking also. Yesterday take, today also take.
Moa is also made from koi, no, Maharaj?
Good, but I cannot take the. Moa means koi and naru. Moa with muri. And koi with the molasses, you can make some naru. That is koi.
Dandavat Srilacharya Maharaj, Dandavat Bimala Devidas, Dandavat.
Bimala?
Yes. I had my camera off, so just now I realized that the camera was off. So I put the camera on, and I like please bring your blessings for me to be strong in the seva.
Okay, Krishna bless you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Namami Sharam Satchidananda Rupam লসৎ কুণ্ডলঙ্গ কুলে ব্রজমানং নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলিক কুলে ব্রজমানং যশোদা বিলোক লব্ধবমানং যশোদা পরমিষ্টমোত্তং তত দ্রুত গোপা নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলে গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলে গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
আনন্দে মোহনেত্র যুগ্মং বিজান্তং করম্ভুজ যুগ্মেন ছতঙ্ক নেত্রা
মোহনেত্র যুগম যন্তং করম্ভুজ যুগ্মেন ছতঙ্ক নেত্রম
জয় জয় দাম ভক্তি স্থিতই নম হরং ভক্তিবাং নমাম সৎ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলিক
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দং সগোসম নিমজ্জতম নাখ্যম some connection problem.
আরে নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলিক কুলে ব্রজমানং
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলং গোকুল ব্রজমানং
বরং দেব মোক্ষং মোক্ষবোধিং ভা নচন্য বিনহং পরিষদ পিহ
বরং দেব মোক্ষং মোক্ষং বোধিং ভা নচন্য বিনহং
ইদন্তে বকুরনাথ গোপাল বাল ইদন্তে বকুরনাথ
গোপাল বাল
কদমে মনুষ্য বিরস্তং কি মন্নয় আরে নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলিক কুলে ব্রজমানং
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলং গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
আইদন্তে মুখম ভোজ মবেত্তৈ নীলয় বৃত্তং কুন্তৈল জিন্তৈ রক্তৈচ গোপা
ইদন্তে মুখম ভোজং আপত্য নীলে বৃত্তং কুণ্ডলে স্নিগ্ধ রক্তৈচ গোপা
মূর্তিবিম্ব বিম্ব রক্তং ধরং মে মনুষ্য বিরস্তমলং লক্ষ লাভ
শুম্বিতম বিম্ব রক্তধরং মে মনুষ্য বিরস্তম ললং লক্ষ্যলভি
আরে নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলে গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলং গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
নমো দেব দামোদর অনন্ত বিষ্ণু প্রসিদ্ধ প্রভু দুঃখ জলব্ধি মগ্ন নমো দেব দামোদর
অনন্ত বিষ্ণু প্রসিদ্ধ প্রভু দুঃখ জলব্ধি মগ্নম
কৃপাদৃষ্টি বিষ্টাতি দিনাঙ্গতানু কৃপাদৃষ্টি বিষ্টাতি
দিনাঙ্গতানু
বিহানে সমগ্ন মেধক্ষী দৃশ্য নমামিশ্বরং সৎ চিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলিক গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
নমামিশ্বরং সচিদানন্দ রূপং লসৎ কুণ্ডলং গোকুলে ব্রজমানং
আরে কুবেরাত্ময় জয় বর্ধ মূর্তৈব যদ্ব स्वयमुचित भक्ति भजौ कीर्तौ च स्वयमुचित भक्ति तथा प्रेम भक्ति शतन में प्रयच्छ तथा प्रेम भक्ति नमक शीघ्र हमन्ति दामोदर नममीश्वरं सत चिदानंद रूपं रसत्कुंड गोकुले विद्यमाना
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमाना
नमस्तस्तु ताम्ने प्रदीप्ति धाम्ने तदीयरत विश्वस्य धाम्ने
नमस्ते सुधाम्ने पुरदीप्ति धाम्ने तदीयधरायत विश्वस्य
अरे
धाम्ने
नमो राधिकाय तदीय प्रियाय नमो राधिकाय अरे नमो राधिकाय तदीय प्रियाय नमो राधिकाय
तदीय प्रियाय
लीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं
नमानन्द लीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं
अरे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानंद रूपं रसत्कुण्डले गोकुले व्रजमाना नमामीश्वरं
सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमाना
दामोदर राधा 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 दामोदर
राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर
जय श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय
जय।
जय विष्णुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद देव गोस्वामी महाराज की
जय।
विश्व श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय जय
जय।
विष्णुपाद प्रमुख गुरु चिरामणि जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय
जय।
ओम विष्णुपाद भगवान श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय
जय।
ओम विष्णुपाद श्रील गौर किशोर दास बाबाजी महाराज की जय सच्चिदानंद श्रील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय
जय।
सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ दास बाबाजी महाराज की जय रूपानुग गुरु वर्ग की जय नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय वृंद देवी तुलसी देवी श्री भक्ति देवी की जय श्री श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड श्री गिरी गोवर्धन की जय
जय।
मायापुर धाम श्री नवोदय धाम श्री वृंदावन मथुरा की जय पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र की जय ऑल द असेंबलीज डिवोटीज की जय
जय।
ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड डिवोटीज की जय समस्त
जय।
गौर भक्त वृंद की जय
जय।
जय श्री भक्ति पावन जनार्दन महाराज की जय
जय।
सोमाश्रम महाराज की जय
जय।
भक्ति निष्काम संत महाराज की जय भक्ति विज्ञान मुनि महाराज की जय
जय।
श्रीपद भक्ति माधव पुरी महाराज की जय भक्ति
जय।
बांधव पुरी महाराज की जय
जय।
जय श्रीपद साधु महाराज की जय ऑल द
जय।
असेंबलीज डिवोटीज की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय
जय।
ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड डिवोटीज की जय समागत श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय
जय।
निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे
हरि 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 बोल। जय हो।
I am Vishnupad Bhakti Nirmalacharya Maharaj ki jai.
जय।
जय गुरुदेवा।
very happy to see you all very nice
Jai Gurudev, Jai.
next Monday is the Param Guru Maharaj's appearance day Siddhar Maharaj's appearance day I'll try to next Sunday with you meeting I do not know if I go to Nishingopalli not good connection